Okay, to run the Tiger IDS tool, find out which folder it's in by typing which Tiger in a terminal. Then cd to the folder /user/bin on Kali purple. And then type sudo /tiger. Okay, when it's done, it gives you a security report, and we can copy that. And then type cat, the link to the file, and pipe it to more. And don't forget to type sudo. Then you can scroll down and look at all the warnings, and you can see in the brackets, that is the message ID. And if we want to get more information on an individual warning, like for instance one of these cron warnings, copy the message ID inside the brackets. And then type sudo /TIGEXP, and then paste in the message ID. And it'll explain the warning a little better, maybe give you some idea of what to do. Now if you want to type sudo /TIGEXP -F and the same link to that file, and it will put in all the expanded information messages for each warning. That's a lot of information. So we'll do the same command and then pipe it to more. And it'll be a lot easier to read. You can step through page by page. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.